god. Okay, so it's a big ass bag. Oh my. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a really exciting video. I don't know about you guys, but I like binge watch unboxing videos of like people unboxing their purses. Cause like if you're a purse kind of girl, you have an appreciation for like designer things, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Like it's this thrill, it's so exciting. And I feel like only people who like get it, you know what I mean? I decided to purchase a bag, one that I kind of like, this is like so much rambling, but like this is like the kind of video it is, okay? So if you guys want to just skip and ignore the shit I'm saying, then just fast forward to this time frame. I'll put the timestamp here and you guys can just watch me unbox it. But I've always really eyed this bag, but in the time that it came out, I think it was in 2012 or 2010, I can't remember. But everyone and their mother had this bag and I just felt like it was just such an overrated bag, and I just, at the time, as whatever. But since years have gone by, since this bag has been out, I found it to be a very classic, gorgeous bag. And for me, I'm a mom, so sometimes it's nice. I do like smaller bags time to time, like my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis and like my Palm Springs Mini are great for like on the go, like a photo shoot or something. I like to have like a big bag just full of stuff. I ended up going on Poshmark and okay, can I just tell you guys the trick when it comes to Poshmark? Because a lot of the time people are trying to like sell their goods for the value that it's at. But my trick is whenever you search something, go into the filter and put prices lowest to highest. And I don't know if that's like very self-explanatory. It's just the most efficient way to shop. If you're trying to find something under a certain budget and you really want it, I totally think it's doable. I'm thinking of this bag for a really long time, and it's just always been in the back of my mind. I just could never bring myself to pay for the price that people were selling it at. So I'm just gonna show you the bag and then I'll talk a little bit more about it. This box is huge. Oh, she sent me a little note.
Oh, how cute. I love Asian stationery.
Like, how cute is this? I hope you will love this bag as much as I did. It is one of the most durable and functional babies I've owned. Hope you enjoy. Love, Anna. Okay, like that is so sweet. She has a YouTube channel too. She does luxury videos, and I literally didn't discover her until like I was searching for this bag is how I found her page and stuff. So I'll link her down below. She is so freaking sweet. The fact that she like, I don't know, that's just really nice of her. So thank you, Anna, if you're watching this video. That's really sweet. Okay, so here it is. It's in the dust bag. Okay, so it's a big ass bag, okay? And oh my, so cute. Oh my god.
Let me see.
Oh my god, it's so fucking cute. Look at it.
It's huge.
It's huge. Oh my god. Just, oh my god. Like, this is perfect for airplanes.
Are you gonna bring it to Texas?
Yes, of course I am. This bag is the Givenchy Antigona in the size medium. For how well maintained she's had this bag, like, I cannot believe that she sold it to me for the price she did. The reason why I was so sold on it was not only did I feel so comfortable with the seller, which is a huge tip for anyone who's buying a pre-owned bag. Just make sure you trust the seller, because a lot of the time, like, if you feel wishy-washy about it, it just doesn't feel right, you know? So for me, it was super important that I trusted the seller, and she was so open. Like, she sent me a video of like the bag. She had the handles replaced over time, like the handles started to wear, so she had all the handles replaced, and then she had the hardware, the zipper, all redone. You do look at the bag, the color of the actual bag right here is gold, but the zipper is a little bit lighter, so it's like two-toned. She said it's because they switched out the zipper for her, so I was so pleased by that, and I was like, okay, this bag is basically like brand new. One of the major key points of this bag and me buying it was because this bag has been lived in, and this particular bag, I wanted it lived in. I did not, like, every time I went into like a Givenchy or I went into a Saks or I went into Neiman Marcus and I saw this bag, I was like, I just don't like how bulky it is. It's so structured. I'm not a structured kind of bag gal. Like, every bag I have, I mean, unless it's like a little Chanel bag, Otherwise, like, I will not carry a structured bag. When it's brand new, it's so perfect and structured, and I'm just so picky, you guys. Like, I can't tell you how picky I am about my stuff. And like, the fact that it's not as structured, like, she's had this for so long, everything just seemed perfect about it. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do it. And cute. Like, how cute is this? Big, but I love it. And I can just carry it like this. Like, it's meant to be like my mom bag that just is a bottomless pit of shit. So that's why I wanted this bag. And I just love how it's like not so structured. Like, I love the fact that it's like caving in here. Some people will be like, okay, why the fuck would you buy that bag if it's not like perfect? But like, I didn't want it perfect. Like, I just don't like structured bags. Yeah, I don't really know what to tell you other than I'm really pleased. This is like kind of like a first impressions of a pre-owned bag. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I apologize for the rambling and whatnot, but thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to let me know down in the comments below what you'd like to see from me, or if you guys want to keep seeing these like luxury designer bags or luxury designer videos. It's something I love talking about, so as long as you guys like it, then I'm happy to keep doing them. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!